So this euro dollar analysis for Wednesday, the 26th of September. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the euro dollar, we have coming towards this trading range. We're still operating within the range, the upper end of the trade range being around at 118, lower end being around at 17.28 here on the euro dollar. More recently, you can see we've tested the 17.28, formed higher low slightly above the 17.28, and we have not been able to hold on to the 17.71 at present. So we do seem poised for a test of the 17.71. If we can hold the 17.71 for support, we're then looking for prices to head up towards the possibly that 18.30. Successful break from which we're then looking for price head towards that 18.62, and if there is sufficient bullish buy side momentum to bring us beyond the 18.62, the very next level of note is a move up towards possibly the 19.10 here on the euro dollar. If, however, we do see a breakdown from this 17.71, very next level of note is the 17.28. Previous scenario we found support and resistance here on the euro dollar, and if we do fail to find support at 17.28, we are then looking for price head down towards the 17.10, where we do have the confluence of the 200 period moving average, thus increased likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce. But if we do have sufficient volatility to bring us beyond the 17.10, we may see prices test the 16.60 here on the euro dollar. Wouldn't anticipate prices moving all the way down towards that 16.12 on the euro dollar here to the downside. And before we wrap up, let's just have a look here at the daily chart. So on this daily chart, we can see here we have our lows, we have our higher lows. We've had this trend here to the upside towards that 17.71. As we can see, as indicated by the wicks, we've had several attempts of trying to navigate this 17.71. We've not been successful in close above 17.71 and seeing that further continuation to the upside here. So if we do continue to hold this resistance, we do instead see a breakdown, we may just see price head back down towards that 16.60. And from a daily chart perspective, if we do successfully navigate the 16.60, we're then looking for prices to head down towards possibly that 115.30 here on the euro dollar. But that would be somewhat kind of trend. So if we do have this bull flag play itself out to the upside, again, we've mentioned 19.10 that we'll be looking at here if we were to see the bullish move to the upside on the euro dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.